Welcome back to Quiz Pilot. Time to put your ears to the test. Okay, we're building an entire bedroom out of squishy dumplings today. Every wall, every pillow, every weird little detail, all dumpling shaped. 28 rounds, 3 options each time, and whatever you pick decides how the room turns out. Let's just get into it. First decision, and it's a big one. The walls set the whole mood. Pick wisely, you're staring at this every morning. Okay, now your front door. I feel like this one says a lot about a person. This is the rug you're stepping on barefoot every single day, so choose carefully. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Alright, the bed. This is the actual centerpiece of the whole room. Hit like if pink glitter has your name on it, subscribe if you're a gold person, and if diamond's calling to you, just tell me in the comments. Something to actually hug at night. I'd go holographic, not gonna lie. Okay, now we're getting cozy. Wrap yourself in whichever one you'd actually fall asleep in. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Quick one, there's a tiny dumpling hiding somewhere on this screen. 5 seconds, go. There it is, right in the corner. If you caught that fast, respect. Small detail, but it changes the whole feel of the room. Something to read by at night. Honestly, this one's just about vibes. Whatever wakes you up. Somewhere for all the stuff you never actually put away. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. And what you're sleeping in tonight. That's the speed round done. Nicely kept up if you did. Feet stay warm now. That's really the only requirement here. Somewhere to get ready. I think the floral one's a little underrated. New twist, 2 of these you can see clearly. One's a total mystery box. Turns out the mystery one was a capybara. If that's what you picked, let me know. Or whenever people actually come over. Genuinely can't pick a favorite here. They all look like they'd swallow you whole in the best way. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. This one's tough. Tell me in the comments which one you'd actually sit in. Whatever you ended up with, it's coming to bed with you tonight. For anyone who actually reads, respect if that's you. All right, 3 quick ones back to back. Don't overthink these. Okay, this one's just fun. Who needs stairs when you have this? Had to include a gaming corner, non-negotiable. And something to actually sit in while you play. Okay, secret room behind the wall. Which one are you hiding back there? Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. For movie nights. No popcorn included, unfortunately. End of a long day, this is where you're soaking. Lighting matters more than people think. This changes everything. Almost done. This one's just for checking the fit. For the 2 a.m. trips to the bathroom. Last one. What are you actually reading before you fall asleep? Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. So that's the room, built entirely from your picks. Looking at it, I'd guess you're either a cozy minimalist, a glam icon, or a full cottagecore dreamer. Like the video if it's glam, subscribe if it's cozy, and comment if you landed on cottagecore. I want to know. That's the whole build. Tell me your final combo in the comments, subscribe if you want more of these, and there's 2 more videos on screen if you're not done yet.